said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You could miss it.
Okay, welcome to our video about fitting a panel filter to a Mitsubishi Colt CZT. So this is what we're fitting, which is a K&N panel filter, and it's going to go in this air box just here. So let's crack on. So undoing a Jubilee clip, pretty straightforward. Next up, we're going to unplug, oh sorry Jason, what are you doing there? Unplug the MAF sensor carefully because these are expensive. Now the airbox has some clips down here, as you can see. So there's two of those to undo, one around the back, which you can just see there, and this one at the front. That'll have the airbox, or top of the airbox lid, off, and that should expose the standard panel filter, which you can see there. Ooh, filthy. So fitting the K&N panel filter is good for flow, and obviously they're pretty much indestructible. Give them a bit of a blowout once a year, maybe a bit of a clean, and that'll be good to go forever. So that fits nice and snug back in there where the old one went. And then we're just reversing that process to get the airbox back in. It is actually a bit fiddly to get the airbox lid back on. So let's see how, oh well done Jason. Specialist, didn't you Jason? So clipping that all back on, do the Jubilee clip back up, and plugging the MAF sensor back in. And that is all you've got to do. Now obviously if you want to get yourself a K&N panel filter, give us a shout. We sell them, they're available. There we go. And that's job done. If you want to see any other little videos, make a suggestion, give us a shout on the page, and we'll get doing them for you. Cheers guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, comment in the section below. Plenty of stuff to be winning soon, loads of free stuff. So as long as we see you on YouTube saying hi and getting involved, then you'll be in for a chance to win stuff. Cheers.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.